People who get into locations because they are seen as being easy and convenient, therefore misinterpreted as being good. I remember many years back, maybe a couple of years ago, I was talking to a prospective client, and they were telling me about a location that they were considering, and it was a gym owner who had a juice bar that was already built out inside of their space, and I think the previous tenant either broke the lease or didn't do well, so they left, and he was really excited. He said, you know, it's already built out, it's great. And I started kind of digging a little bit more deeply, and I said, well, how many members does this gym have? Are they doing well? Is it in a good part of town? Are these people affluent? Really just trying to dissect whether this was a good location. And sure enough, as we spoke about it more, he said, you know what, now that I think about it, it's actually not a good location. It just was really easy to get into. It was good because I believed that it was cheap. And so just know that cheap and easy and convenience don't equate to a location being good. I would much prefer you all invest more money in the kind of short term and upfront if you have to get into a location that is going to be good for you in the long run.